Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you have done your homework yesterday. I gave you difficult words and today I said that I am going to give you meanings. Yes, I am going to give you meanings and some that read these lines from the text and answer. These two bits we are going to complete because we have very less meanings in this lesson. That's why. So we don't need to write again the name of the lesson. Already we wrote yesterday, Marching to Freedom. Now just heading you give meanings and start the work. And you are writing 2 times each these meanings. How many times? 2 times each. So let's begin. First one. Full of activity. Full of activity means busy. 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 And queried. Queried means questioned. 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 Killing time. Killing time means passing time without any work. Killing time means passing time without any work. Then nodded. Moved the head. Moved the head. It can be sideward or it can be up and down. Understand? Then fifth one, eagerly. Eagerly means curiously. Eagerly means curiously. Sixth, unfair. Unfair means not correct. Unfair means not correct. Unfair means not correct. Refused means disagreed. Refused means disagreed. Refused means disagreed. And nervously means in a worried way or manner, in a worried manner. So these are the meanings. Let us read them 2-3 times. Full of activity means busy. 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 Queried means questioned. Queried means questioned. Queried means questioned. Killing time means passing time without any work. Killing time means passing time without any work. Killing time means passing time without any work. Nodded means move the head. Nodded means move the head like this or like this. Okay, sidewards or up and down. Eagerly means curiously. Eagerly means curiously. Unfair means not correct. Unfair means not correct. Refused means disagreed. Refused means disagreed. Nervously means in a worried manner. Nervously means in a worried manner. These are meanings. Now we are going to read the lines from the text and answer the questions. So write each meaning 2 times. Word and its meaning, not only the meaning. Write word and its meaning 2 times each. Then leave a line. So next bit what we are going to do is read these lines. Read these lines from the text. From the text. And answer the questions. And answer the questions. One line from the textbook will be selected, and on the basis of that line you are going to get one line answer questions. You have to answer them. So read the lines from the text. Text means from the lesson, and answer the questions. First one, something is going on beneath. Something is going on beneath. Something is going on beneath. Now the question is, who said this? What was going on? What was going on? What was going on? Answer. Ghani said this. Some exciting plan was going on. Some exciting plan was going on. Then second question, what made this person think that something was going on? I am rubbing the heading and something is going on beneath. Who said this? What was going on? Dhani said this. Some exciting plan was going on. Then let us write second question. Question B. What made this person what made this person think that what made this person think that something was going on? Answer is people in the ashram were discussing something. This made him think that something is going on. Okay, people in the ashram were discussing something. This made him think that something is going on. What made this person think that something is going on? People in the ashram were discussing something. This made him think that something is going on. This is first sentence. Now we are going to write the second one. Second sentence. Yes, you can, but there is a problem. Yes, you can, but there is a problem. But there is a problem. Question A. Who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji said this to Dhani. Who? Yes, you can, but there is a problem. Who said this to whom? Mahatma Gandhi ji said this to Dhani. What was the problem? What was the problem? The problem was if Dhani joined Gandhiji, there was no one, there was nobody to look after Binni. To look after Binni in the ashram. What was the problem? The problem was if Dhani joined Gandhiji, there was nobody to look after Binni in the ashram. The problem was if Dhani joined Gandhiji, there was nobody to look after Binni in the ashram. So these two bits, question answers and read the lines from the text and answer. These two bits we did today. You are going to write them neatly. Okay, after each question answer, please leave the line. That's it for today, children. Thank you.